Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to automatically turn on Battery Saver in Windows 10. This feature can help extend your device's battery life by adjusting various settings when your battery is running low. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 2. In the Settings menu, choose System. This will open a new window with various system-related settings. Step 3. Within the system settings, look for and click on the option labeled Battery from the left side menu. This will take you to the battery settings. Step 4. Now, under the Battery Saver section, you'll find a drop-down list. Click on it to choose when you want Battery Saver to automatically turn on. You can select options like Always, to always have Battery Saver enabled, Never to disable it completely, or choose a specific percentage at which Battery Saver should activate. By activating Battery Saver, your device will automatically adjust various settings, such as brightness and background activity, to conserve battery power when it reaches the specified threshold. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on Battery Saver automatically in Windows 10. This feature can be a lifesaver when you're on the go and need to maximize your device's battery life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials.